Okay, so tell me 5 things that piss you off.
If you send me your resume and you put your picture in the resume with sunglasses, now I will never take you seriously. I can never take seriously of a guy with a sunglasses on a resume. So here in this entire career, I have been able to work on around 140 films abhi tak, okay, and I around 1,340 films, and I have designed officially over abhi last 360 movie posters. And I had a room, मेरा एक घर पे छोटा room था, which was my balcony converted into room. I had even covered the ceiling with the posters. We all are just trying in our own space to improve the aesthetic with one JPEG at a time. The kind of passion if you have that will make you sit at home and do things while your friends are going and partying and having a good time, but you are sitting back and putting those hours to do your craft. That is the passion will take you forward. वो 4 फोटो डाल के फेसबुक के ऊपर 4 लोगों ने लाइक किया, उससे कुछ नहीं होता.
Namaskaram. Welcome to Tea Talks. You are undoubtedly one of the most prolific film poster designers that in India today, and I'm sure that this journey has been more than eventful. But can you tell me
Sure.
what has been the true turning point for you in this journey?
In 2003, if you remember, there was a film called Ek Hasina Thi. Okay, so Ek Hasina Thi ke jo posters were there, na, they were for the first time I could see so-called design in Indian movies posters. First time ever. मेरे को लगा यार somebody has really put in aesthetics to do these. You know, I was not able to point कि क्यों अच्छा लग रहा है, but I was just knowing that this is something which is very close to international posters, because international posters have always been like baap, man, like baap. Like bachpan se I have been seeing like even a basic poster of Rambo holding a gun like this, which is painted by Sir Drew Struzan. I mean the way it looks. Then the iconic poster for Jaws by Roger Castle, like that the shark and the female on top. I mean, like you name it, man. They have been killing it for generations. So first time ever, मुझे लगा कि these guys in marching ants are doing something which is really of that kind of style. तो मैं in my naivety ना मैंने उनको apply कर दिया था तभी कि अरे sir, I am also a poster artist. I want to come into posters and please if I can work. So of course nobody even responded का मेरा mail भी नहीं दिखा रहेगा. Somebody in marching ants stumbled on my work. उस वक्त nobody had put Indian film posters. So they sent me a message on DeviantArt के chat पे. And they didn't tell marching ants. They said, if you're interested in movie posters, we are looking, call at this number. And I was like, करके देखता हूँ क्या है. And I called up and then the guys like, we are from marching ants. I'm like, marching ants, bye. इधर तो कब से आना था अपने को, कब से मैं I've been following your guys' work. So initially I was known to be the guy who's good with execution. So if you want a very tight execution and a very tight treatment and a design finish, go to him. And then aste, then 2015 is when I was made the creative head of Marching Ants. And then since 2015, now it's been 6 years, I'm leading Marching Ants team. And so ये journey था from somebody who used to look up to Marching Ants work and apply. Today I'm leading Marching Ants. I was gifted a car from the company for my 11 years of performance as a token of appreciation. So here in this entire career, I have been able to work on around 140 films abhi tak, okay, and I around 1,340 films, and I have designed officially over abhi last 360 movie posters, official movie posters.
I think the film industry has grown manifold.
There are films you can actually keep it in par with foreign cinema and it can stand its tall.
Absolutely,
You know, there are films
and strangely and beautifully and happily, like some of the movies that you can put at par with the best foreign films, are not even Hindi films.
Also, it is like Anurag sir, Raghavan sir, Zoya Akhtar ma'am, all these people who have really changed the game. Then a lot of filmmakers, they got confidence and a voice to come in because seeing them. If you go back now, the person who's actually changed the game is RGV. Sabka Seed, the storytelling, sound design, movies without songs, some movies without background music, or horror films, जिसमें the horror is set in one room, contemporary, getting a mainstream actor into a horror setup, everything is done.
So tell me, who do you consider as your guru or your mentors when it comes to the skill of poster design?
I have come across a lot of great artists. So I don't have a single mentor. Hai nahi. I have never followed a single person's journey in my whole life. Till today also, I go back and I look at Frank McCarthy's work, I look at Robert McGuinness' work, I look at Drew Struzan's work, I go and look at Bill Gold's work. And then I'll again go back and look at work whether India mein jo hua hai. लाइक दिवाकर करकरे सर ने जो किया है, और या फिर वो यशवंत जी ने जो किया है, और एल्स पोस्टर्स फॉर लाइक एस एम पंडित सर ने जो बनाया है फॉर आवारा एंड ऑल दैट. So मेरे लिए everybody has been a mentor. From my drawing teacher in my school, Vinchurkar sir, to a person who did the poster for the new Suicide Squad film, Steve Reeves. He works in a company called Concept Art Studios in the US, LA. ये पूरे गैमट के बीच में जितने लोग हैं ना, सब मेरे मेंटर. मैं हमेशा I'll tell people कि सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है. When like people ask me कि how do we get a craft good? Well, first you learn to understand good versus bad work, and then you have to understand to see certain kind of work, but you have to understand कि वो trend कितना follow करना चाहिए और कितना नहीं, और कितना तुम्हारा भी होना चाहिए. Because I've seen this Behance वगैरह का, I keep getting folios for job and all ना. If there is a certain kind of work happening, everybody's work is the same kind. And then I see, yeah, because they same kind of font, सब कुछ. अभी yeah, people can tell me कि my also many posters because they belong to a certain industry, certain kind of same palette. They try to look the same. Yes, I agree. They look the same anyways. But I still try in a year at least 4-5 ऐसे key arts बनाऊं that has really pushed the envelope. I really do it, like consciously do it, you know. Like I get a brief today ना. It's been like almost 18 years. मुझे आज भी brief मिलता है ना. Until the film का first round of concepts I have not presented, I can't sleep. मेरी फड़ी आती है. मैं नहाता रहेगा ना, मेरे को ऐसा पेट में गुड़गुड़ होता है. My wife is like, अरे क्या स्ट्रेस ले रहा है? बोला नहीं यार, I don't know what new can I do in this. What freaking new can I do? What works today is how you take an existing concept sometimes and spin it around for a new context and spread
Or you
it.
take something, or you take inspiration from here and put it into
Yeah,
something else.
yeah.
What is the primary difference between poster design and graphic design?
Poster design is an umbrella, na, has a lot of other things that can include a graphic design, a photography, a digital art, of CG art, then comic art. सब कुछ एक poster, movie poster के अंदर आ सकता है. So everything, typography. There are great posters which are just typography. There are great posters, just great images which are just put there and a logo is kept there. Then there is great use of CG to create a very surreal kind of a element. And then there is photo manipulation that universally we do it. And of course, the old school illustration and digital art and all to hai hai. So us tarah se there are a lot of umbrellas. But if you say graphic design per se, I think graphic design is more in the aesthetics. It's more about like minimal objects, minimal text, and minimally. Although movie poster is more about the world, the storytelling. So sometimes it can lend to use graphic design as a style, and sometimes it can lend to use something else as a style. As I said, various other things that can come as a part of movie poster.
So in a way, what we're saying is that if graphic design is considered slightly more static, movie poster in its communication is far more dynamic, and it has to have much more storytelling. When you see a campaign or a movie poster for, say, an Andhadhun, it almost works like an advertising teaser.
If you do a breakdown of my Andhadhun poster, the entire film is there in that poster. I'll break it down for you. Okay. So if you see this, so the entire film is here. Okay. So there is a piano. There's a dead body hiding under the piano. There's a blood trail. There's a blind man who's dodging the blood trail. So you don't know if it's blind or he's not blind. And there is a broken glass over there. So there, there has been some mishap because of it. He's killed. And there is a cat lingering around who is kind of who is always throughout the film is like a nice sketch element. So if you see the entire film is there, once you see the film, then you put everything together. You're like, oh my God, everything was there in front of you.
One of my favorite has been definitely AK versus AK.
In recent times.
Recent one.
Recent ones.
I mean, there's the similarity between these two characters, though. And the character within the character.
So I'll tell you what, this is a happy accident that happened. And then I was experimenting because we had shot them both in the same lighting and same setup. So I thought maybe it can match. The problem with most of the art when they tried this now is because they are not shot in the same lighting setup. And then I just roughly did it, and then it really like fit like a glove, So this one was really challenging. This was one of the most challenging work in recent times for me, because he is Ashwathama, he's a superhero. So ek superhero ka ek form, the silhouette I wanted to make. So for this, I collaborated with a 3D artist, and I got the hand made from him. from them. It's a studio. Of course, I was supervising it. Then I collaborated with a very senior illustrator, Aditya Chari. So then I got the illustration of the character. Again, I was working closely with him, and I got the hand done. And the concept was, then I bought all this together, and then I rendered it together as a matte painting, and I made this poster. And then thankfully, it was like really received well. Even today, it's been like 3 months now, but Abhi people really remember them, and like people message me and all that whenever they see this.
So, in your opinion, for becoming a poster art or poster art artist, if I was to call it that, what are the skill sets? I mean, what are the softwares that one must know? And two, what are the skill sets that one needs to, identify with right at the early stage, so that they can say that, yeah, I am more cut out for this kind of a profession?
Okay, so firstly, you have to be a storyteller. Most important है कि तुम poster ना, you have to look at क्या this canvas जो मेरा ये 30-40 the vertical या horizontal 2:1, this is your canvas. Here you have to tell the story of a 3-hour film in this one frame. That is the first key. That's how I approach it. कि ये film का जो निचोड़ जो है ना वो इसमें आना चाहिए. If you have a background of illustration as an art specialization, it helps because you understand human anatomy and you understand perspective related to and how lights react to human beings, because poster end of the day is around human beings. Now we are talking about characters and all of that, and everything else is a peripheral to that. So if illustration is your background, it will surely help. Even if it is not, like me, I don't come from a art background, so you can pick it up on the way. You can keep improvising, learn from other people's work. Photoshop is like your alter ego. By poster art ka alter ego tera Photoshop hai. That's your Iron Man suit and your Tony Stark. So that has to be with you. Till today, every year a new Photoshop launch hota hai na, Adobe Max mein main raat bhar baith ke na सारा new feature दिखता है, 2 दिन बैठ के उसका सारा new feature का video study करता है. In my heart, I'm still that kid. उसको ना Photoshop, I love Photoshop का interesting new features when it come in. And I'm like, मेरे को जब तक वो समझेगा नहीं ना, मेरे को नींद नहीं आएगा. Then there is Illustrator for vector art, logo art, and a vector poster. If you are doing it, that is a second brother, a cousin brother. And third, I think in today's day and age, if you want to be good at poster artists, you have to see work outside posters. What happened na 2010 ke around na, it was already been 5-6 years ho gaya tha, I was doing movie posters. When I was going through that fatigue of my design and everything, so that is when I came across the graphic tablet. Okay, and that opened a new window of things for me. And that's when I started doing my parallel work. That's when I realized a lot of international artists across the board who are doing great work. And that is when the alternative movie poster movement started in the West. There is a documentary called 24/36. So check it out.
Well, when I was a kid, the first connection you would have with a movie is seeing the poster. But I had a neighborhood theater, and when I would go to the movies, they would have a hall where they had 6 or 7 posters for pictures that were coming. And that's how you could gauge what you were going to do with the next couple of months of your life.
Prior to about 1965, they never really gave the artists credit for their work. That said, people now want the original release poster for a Bob Peak film or a Struzan film.
Movie poster art is revered now. The ironic thing is that as much as we love it, it's an art that is pretty much dead. The studios aren't hiring illustrators anymore. And it's sad. The fans have taken it upon themselves to create magic.
That's incredible.
So I think that what we're doing is going to impact commercial films.
And it gives me hope.
It's purely a love thing.
So now, if you want to tell, give me a piece of advice that I would want to, say, for example, share for the people who are very young.
What I've seen, people are more fame hungry than skill hungry. If you're fame hungry, you're chasing the wrong path. If you're skill hungry, before you know it, everything else will follow because it's just a byproduct. So वो एक है. So constantly, if you're upping your
Knowledge
skills
base.
now, हाँ, skills and knowledge, वो बाकी सब चीज fame में obviously ना यार. You met me few years back in that event that we met. Okay, imagine I had worked on a website by a company who was owned by you, and today we are friends and you are taking interview. So it's because I was not looking for this. This came to me because I was doing my work. In specifically in poster artists, don't work for vanity. Don't. 90% people I see meet here are interested because there is glamour, actor, and a lot of promotion. Your work will be all around. You'll get to meet actors. Because if your poster is remembered beyond that actor, then only you have done your job.
Okay, so I was asking 5 things you cannot work without.
5 things cannot work without is my headphones, Photoshop, my scribble pad, my list of movies जो मेरे पास हार्ड डिस्क में रहती है. मैं कभी भी रैंडमली कोई भी टाइम पे जाके कोई भी सीन देखता हूँ. Randomly, there is no order, anything. And in today's age, YouTube.
5 things that piss you off.
One is it's a personal pet peeve. If you send me your resume and you put your picture in the resume with sunglasses, I will never take you seriously. I can never take seriously of a guy with a sunglasses on a resume. I can never take this guy seriously. Bechte bhai. Second is people who put graph on their skill set on the resume. Photoshop 80%, Illustrator 30%, 90%, so and so. Don't. Nobody's interested. And third is, as I said, if you are more towards vanity and something that I really don't like, and bad aesthetics. Yeah, bad aesthetics is something that we in India encourage so much or okay with so much. Now it's such a letdown. And fifth is the bad mentality we all have grown up with. That India hai chalta hai.
5 creative geniuses that you must follow. That in your opinion you must follow.
There is this channel called the Corridor Crew on YouTube. It's a group of guys. They make educational videos with VFX and they break down VFX of known films and they discuss VFX. This artist and US illustrator his name is Sam Spratt. Okay, Sam Spratt. He does a lot of cover illustrations and a lot of big brand illustrations. People, Drew Struzan. I have books of Drew Struzan that keep going through his work. The style that he changed for posters. Kevin Feige. I don't know how you pronounce it. I'm sorry. Feige. Kevin Feige, who's the father of MCU, जिन्होंने पूरा design किया Marvel Cinematic Universe. So of course, the legend Christopher Nolan and his brother Jonathan Nolan. There is Rahman and Rahman sir. So the thing is, as and when my lifestyle थोड़ा upgrade हुआ, I started investing in my sound quality and stuff like that. So I started using better headphones, better audio gears, better ears. So then the same tracks that you have been hearing for years, and then you put him in a better, oh freak, there is so much more happening जो कभी सुना ही नहीं मैंने. I really admire Tanmay Bhatt for what he's doing right now with his page also, and his other page with he's talking about finances and money and all. We are not very money literate as a nation. So how it can help the current generation to be a better investor. And then of course Elon Musk to hai hai. So basically anybody who is able to see things beyond that realm na, is like yaar bhai
beyond time. Thoda sa, slightly beyond time.
Beyond time. So bhai ye baap hai.
What are the 5 things that you look for in a portfolio?
It should not be too extensive. I will not look at first 10 creatives, then I know where he's going or she is going. I always tell him, make crisp. Do one thing. Take whatever images you find online, recreate an existing poster. Recreate from scratch, but it has to be from scratch. Everything you should put in together. Of course, it can't be as good as original, but in the process, now you learn 100 things. Somebody who comes to me, shows me 10 posters, even if they are not good, but he's taken that effort to do it. No, this guy wants to do it. He may not be having the skills right now, but he is keen to do it. Maybe with us, he can groom himself and we can groom him.
It's been lovely listening to you, man. I mean, your passion for your work and is truly infectious. So now I would like to take you back right to the beginning. Flashback mein jate. Or what I wanted to know is, where did your love for cinema really start? And what journey have you traversed to get to where you are today?
So my love for cinema ना बहुत early stage से था, मतलब बहुत ही early. मतलब when I was in school, I remember ऐसा fourth fifth में रहेगा मैं, तो hostel में ना हम लोग audio cassettes we used to collect, you know, because that's the medium of entertainment. कोई senior के पास audio cassette थे, Walkman पे लेके सुन लो and all that. तो मुझे ना audio cassette covers, I was fascinated with them, audio cassette के covers. एंड मैं अपने नोटबुक के पीछे ना वो फिल्म के टाइटल्स ऐसे ड्रॉ करता था देख देख के. So like in our hostel now we had a newspaper room. I used to go there to see only that movie listing ka page. And I was so fascinated by that thought कि यार such a small creative in black and white badly printed. Like today I understand it's badly printed. And that can still give me an insight कि what this film is promising for me as an audience. And comic books, of course, all of us grew with comic books. तो अभी तो DC Marvel सब अभी बहुत रेट्रो में कूल बल के बोलते हैं, बट ऑनेस्टली इंडिया में DC Marvel था नहीं भाई. अपन सब चाचा चौधरी में बड़े हुए.
टिंकल चल रहा है अपनी लाइफ में.
टिंकल, चाचा चौधरी, टिंकल, राका, पिंकी एंड हार्डी बॉयज करके देयर वाज अ लाइक किड नॉवेल जो हम पढ़ते थे. तो उसका एक स्पेशल एडिशन आया था, हार्डी बॉयज केस फाइल्स. सो जो केस फाइल का पूरा पैकेजिंग होता था ना, डिजाइन, इट वाज वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अ नॉर्मल किडी बुक. द केस फाइल्स का डिजाइन वो ऑलमोस्ट डन लाइक अ पल्प नॉवेल. तो इट वाज very interesting, very intricate, and very dynamic. So I used to just go in the library and change Hardy Boy books for the case files का खाली cover के लिए. I used to love looking at it. And toys कोई लाएगा तो toys का packaging होता था ना, तो I used to be fascinated with that. Trump cards, toys, video games, जो small video games. So all these things ना collectively left a really really big impression on my mind. Between all this, what happened is Ulhasnagar में there was a music cassette का shop था. I used to in vacation go and work there because that guy used to give me promotional posters. And I had a room, मेरा एक घर पे छोटा room था, which was my balcony converted into room. I had even covered the ceiling with the posters. मतलब मेरे room में ना खाली floor बच गया था, बाकी चारों तरफ मैंने poster लगा दिया था. Back then बच्चे को क्या बोलते हैं, computer course कर लो, है ना? Computer course. So like general computer course is like a solution to everything. So I told him, see, I have another plan. Instead of 1 lakh putting it here, let me join multimedia. I'll be more happy and more interested to do what I'm doing. Else that I'll do only because you are telling me to do. So then I remember the second day of my institute, mein na, somebody was working on Photoshop. Something they were making that typical thing, sky ke upar something, that face laga rahe and all that. And I realized that this is the software that you use to make the things that I love. Is it? So that was that eureka moment. So like life-changing moment, okay? So I asked, then I took that, मेरा जो faculty था ना, मैंने उसको पूछा कि सर इसमें क्या क्या हो सकता है? So he's like, you can make this, you can make duplicate of yourself, but वो सब नहीं बस. Then I showed him few of the things. वहाँ पे magazine पढ़ा था, magazine का. I said, all this is made here on this. Well, yeah, this software is only used. I was like, boom, I want to learn this software. We were not that economically sound back then. So my friend had a computer hardware shop. So ना he just assembled जो spare parts, leftover parts है ना, उससे उसने मेरे को एक पीसी बना के दिया. Then a friend of mine gave a keyboard. उसमें मेरे को अभी भी याद है shift का की ना चलता नहीं था, तो उसमें क्रॉस मारा हुआ था. So only I had to arrange for a monitor because monitor was an expensive thing. I remember I went with a friend of mine to Mulund station. Mulund station के यहाँ पे ना some office was closing off. So they were disposing their computers and all that. So वहाँ से we had picked up a big CRT monitor and got back home. And I was so ecstatic कि यार आज मेरा computer पूरा हो गया and then all that. Then what happened? I thought, यार, if I need to learn movie posters and if I want to do movie posters, where will I get the images? The internet was not prevalent. So what I used to do is the place where I used to work in the cassette shop, na. So there I used to, for 30 rupees, na, I used to rent a VCD, a movie CD. So I used to collect a VCD from there, come home, movie player पे, the movie player एक मेरे पास software था, उसमें you can extract the screenshots. हाँ, इतना एकदम 640 by 480 size में used to extract the screenshots. I used to extract those screenshots, then made a movie library, and then if I'm watching, let's say Matrix, so I will make a poster of Matrix using those images, my version of, with whatever knowledge of Photoshop I'm learning. So from there, this thing started off doing my version of movie posters, but still it was, like, yeah, I'm just doing it कि मेरे friends लोग को मैं दिखाऊंगा and they'll be happy. But how do I make a career out of it, And thankfully तभी क्या हुआ कि somebody from had come to recruitment in the institute, and that was the point when India में .com boom हो गया था. This is like I'm talking about 2003, 2002. .com boom, the websites and flash and website was like the thing. And udhar na wahi tha, I was doing it for like 2,000 rupees salary. But रात को बैठ के ना, I used to just look at movie posters and कहाँ से net से छोटा छोटा JPEG I used to collect, keep collecting, wallpapers collect करना. So I always say, we all are just trying in our own space to improve the aesthetic with one JPEG at a time. That is one thing. And secondly, if you have, I tell kids, the kind of passion if you have that will make you sit at home and do things while your friends are going and partying and having a good time, but you're sitting back and putting those hours to do your craft. That is the passion will take you forward.
For me, it has been a total pleasure. Even I feel enriched, when I speak to people like you. But thank you, man. Thank you for taking your time. I wasted your Sunday. I wasted half your Monday.
No, but it's fine. It was great. The pleasure is mine.